nwanne ndewo no o nwere mkpasị iwetara anyị about one man mebiga aha gị na social media, so achọrọ m ka egwu ụmụ ụwa kpọmkwem otu ihe niile siri mee.
I'm Obinna Innocent. I'm age of Selvi and Son Limited. Jonas or Onya Omahaka or my brother-in-law friend. My brother-in-law I was Pascal. He based in Vietnam. My brother-in-law Pascal, Triala. So that's a friend of Jonas and the property. So that he would like for me to buy property for him. You say okay. Yes, I'm to trial. I'm to like say a budget of 5 million. I'm to trial. Yes, and they go. I go wild. But everything. 1 year okay, so the 1 year okay from Abia State. The guy I build. I'm the property. I got a problem with the property. The boy signed as a witness. There, hand over the document to his brother, man Jonas. The great Rafael go agent. Who shake the guy Alawa. The guy corporate Douglas with my guy Alawa. Mlawa. At times it goes on about 5 months or 6 months later. Jonas called me. So Alawa back. Sunchore Baya. On the first me Chotabaya. He asked more isn't Chobaya. I read that on my back without telling me. Okay, but I read the property. You know my own agent money. Yes, no 15,000. Let I'm so okay. The property is a property. It's not my own. You are the right owner to do whatever you want to do the property. I'm happy. So over a year now, about 3 days or 4 days, no got a 30 message from a unknown number. Claim that to be a Jonas father-in-law. That I sold a property to his son-in-law below a market price. That they went there and see that the property is inside bush. I did not respond to that message. Since yesterday, the top of this day, Jonas and his wife watching him are posting me on social media, trashing my image, calling me scammer, calling me out, say that I sell property to them without showing them the property. Whereby I show Jonas' brother the property and I handed over the power of attorney and the survey plan to his brother, which Jonas is with the document and the survey plan document with him over in Vietnam. That is how my name is going around since 3 days now. And Jonas himself is fighting my brother-in-law over in Vietnam, break his toothful, say that he will send him to jail, threaten the guy for his safety. So me now right now I'm not safe. My brother-in-law in Vietnam is not safe. Even this morning, I drive out from my house to buy bread for my children to drink tea. I parked my car. After buying bread, I went to barb my hair. Coming out, the man that owned the shop said, a Corolla, black Corolla, stop here, and they asking him who parked this car. Is here, and they want to see him. I don't know who is after me, since they post me online, calling me scammer. I sold property to Jonas. Jonas sold the property to whoever, I don't know. I don't have any business with the person who sold the property. So why are they calling me?
I want to know, what is the problem exactly? Why are they calling you out? Is it that it is you that took the money that they sold, or what? We want to understand. Why are they calling you out exactly?
Up to now, I don't know their reason by calling me out. But the only thing that I have at hand is that I should go and show them the property. Which I told the guy, I said, if you want him to show,
you should go and show who?
To show his brother the property.
But the brother, you said the brother came from Abia State. When you bought the land for the brother.
Yes.
Was he not aware of the land?
He's aware. Even so, the brother that came then, we bought the land, called Jonas on WhatsApp call. When we are in the land, telling that I have handed over the document to him, and they have seen the place is okay.
So why can't Jonas call that his brother that went to that land before and ask him to go and show those people he sold the land to? What is the problem?
I don't know.
So why are they calling you out?
They are calling me out for me to come and show them the property, which I told them that if you want me to involve in this property again, you have to pay me for my time.
Because
my money. I will not leave what I'm doing to just to come and change property that I will not get anything on. You have to pay me for me to follow my car, for me to drive that place to show you the property. That's all.
Jonas onye Igbo.
Onye Igbo.
So our man enwere ego a na-akpọ ego ipi ọhịa. If you want to go and show those people land, ọ ga-enye gị ego ipi ọhịa. It is cultural. Ọ wụ omenala eji eme ihe eme. Anaghị agba aka ipi ọhịa. Now, I want to understand. Kedụzi ihe o ji eme attack your brother-in-law, your in-law na Vietnam?
O mere attack so that mmanya abụọ kụnazụrụ rie ego ya that ọ sendịrị 5 million maka sọrọ ala Igbo below 5 million. Amanụ m onye gwara ya asị the property.
Okay, ya na onwe ya ọ gwara gị ego ole o mechara regharịa dị ala?
No, I don't know.
And o rere dị ala n'azụ gị?
Up to now.
When he asks you to look for buyer, gị wetazie buyer kpọwazịa ya gwawazịa gị na o rele dị ala. Now, ebe o rele dị ala, kedu ihe mere ọkpọhụ nwanne ya nwoke na-Abia steeti ka o jezie onye aha ala ya wụrụ nwa ka ọ na-akpọ? And ị kwuru na o werela aha gị fesa na social media ọkwa ya?
Yes, sir.
Everywhere. Ma ebe gị na ụmụ gị nọ na ebe gị na nwa gị nọ.
Yes, sir.
Ihe ndị ahụ ka o mere gị.
Yes, sir.
Ọ dị mma. Now, olee ihe ị chọrọ about this matter?
The only thing I want them to for them to delete what they post online and attend the apology. That same online post, let them go there and delete that post and attend the apology so that they spread a false information. Because I'm not with their documents. I'm not with their land. They have their documents. They have their land. I only bought the land for Jonas. The person that Jonas sold the land, I don't know the person.
Okay.
The business between me and Jonas, and the day I hand over the document to his brother, and I showed his brother the property. But correct now, Jonas is denying that I did not show his brother any property. Even though they want me to show the property to them, there's a way to approach me, not by threatening me.
Okay.
That I sold a land at a higher price to them by threatening me, by threatening my brother-in-law in Vietnam, fighting him, breaking his phone, threatening that they will send him to prison.
Okay, which means we
Post
also
me
need to
online, calling me scammer.
ọ dị ma biko ụmụnne m ndị Igbo ọ bụrụ na ị bụ onye Imo steeti nọ Vietnam ị nwere ike ịma Jonas a because I think ile anya ị ga na-ahụ picture ya, ị ga na-ahụ picture Jonas, na-ahụkwanụ picture nwaanyị ya bụ chinchin ka ọ chinchin ị ga-ahụ ya. So unu ga-adọ Jonas aka na ntị, unu ga-adọ Jonas onwekwenụ ndị ụmụaka ma this man a na-akpọ Jonas dọọ ya aka na ntị maka na anyị agaghị agba nkịtị. O nwere ike ya eche na Vietnam ebe ahụ ọ nọ na ọ ga-emegbu nwa onye n'ebe ahụ, mana Vietnam nwekwara embassy na Nigeria. We can also approach the Vietnam embassy in Nigeria with this issue of malignment and defamation of onye nọ na Nigeria. So nwanne anyị nwoke ekwuole ya lee those post niile o mere wetuo ye, then ọ na-wetuzie ye, then we can now know the right thing to do. Ọ chọọ ka nwanne anyị nwoke a jee piori ya ọhịa, ya weta ego ipi ọhịa. It is traditional. Ya wee ego ipi ọhịa ka o jee piori ya ọhịa. Anyị postichala ma the documents nwanne anyị nwoke a nyere mgbe o rele ala ahụ ma the survey na ihe niile. So ị na-ele ihe anyị ga-ahụ ya. So all these things will be posted here so that you'll also know exactly what we are talking about. Anyị ga-post na comment section ma the documents niile gbasara ala ahụ iji gwa unu na aka nwanne anyị nwoke a dị ọcha. Naanị ihe ọ chọrọ ọwụ Jonas na nwaanyị ya bụ chinchin ha kwụsị na-ebugharị aha ya and kwụsịkwa na eme nwanne ya brother-in-law ya attack na Vietnam. Anyị agaghị post that picture here because n'eziokwu gị hụ the picture ị ga-emere nwanne anyị nwoke ahụ ebere. This is just an instruction and a directive ka Jonas na nwaanyị ya mee the right thing. Kedu final word gị?
My final word, if they remove those things on Facebook and come me willingly to show them the property, I will show them the property.
Okay.
That's all.
Ọ dị mma nwanne m imeela maka ịbịa mee ka ụwa mara maka nke a.
Thank you, sir.